Hey guys, it's Megan here. So I own my own home and I am currently working on quite a few different projects, and all of them are done on a very low budget, and I am having to completely remodel my basement, bathroom, and laundry room. And here's what it looked like before, and I had to completely redo this wall when I moved in, and now it's nice and redone. But now I'm going to be working on the shower, but my second project was working on the basement floor because I had some water issues going on and I had to completely gut all the laminate flooring, so that's been all done. And now I'm just going to be working on my shower. And so what I'm doing here is removing all of the tile on the floor and on the shower floor, and I'm just using this handy dandy tool that my neighbor lent me, and he also lent me his heavy duty hammer and a chisel as well. And they're all really good tools that you're going to want to use if you're going to do something like this. But this is reality, guys. And also wear your guys' masks and face gear to protect yourself. And so but yeah, this is reality of the situation, that I having to do this, and I'm gonna have to do it on a budget, and I'm gonna have to get into this dirty, grimy project and deal with it. But I'm so excited that I was able to do this, and if you can hear me in the background, ridiculous look. This is reality. What real homeowners go through, right? And I am so proud of myself because I've never taken apart tile before. And I ask questions. For tools, because I don't foresee this being another project in the near future where I feel like I would need to invest in. But literally, you guys, this is so cool. And it's actually super therapeutic, taking up these tiles one by one. My tip is to use the grinder that I showed previously, and get one of these tools. It's like a chisel, and then a hardcore hammer. And once you get that first few tiles loose, get that chisel and the hammer and start pounding away. I'm not a professional. This is literally the first time I've ever done this, but I have to get it done because there's water damage. Okay, so here's where I'm at. I'm about 20 minutes in, and I've got about halfway done for the floor. I'm out of breath because it's actually a lot of work. And I haven't taken off the shower door yet because the nails are rusted, and I got this off but I haven't gotten this one off because that's rusted. And I have the shower head off, and my son helped get this drywall piece off. So when we take off this, it's a little bit easier to take off and not hopefully tear this apart, because it's like a plexiglass and can do some fairly bad damage. But anyway, I'm out of breath, and this is where I'm at on the basement bathroom reno part 2. I did not expect to have to do this so soon, but at any rate, there is water damage here and behind, and it's leaking somewhere, so we have to figure out what's going on with it and get to the bottom of it. So that's where I'm at. Unexpected. So if you couldn't really hear me throughout that, it's rather straightforward getting all the tiles up. Using those tools really were extremely helpful, so I'm really thankful that somebody was letting me use these tools and trusting me with them. It was a lot of work getting that stuff, the tiles up, just because of all the banging and stuff, but I mean, it's very therapeutic, as I was saying. And so where I'm at was my son kind of took off the top there of the drywall, so it's easier to get the backing off on the shower when it's time for that. But then I also took the shower head stuff off, but there's some rusted nails, so I went ahead and just used a multi-tool to cut the metal in half and then just rip these shower walls off. And this is kind of where I'm at right now, because the tile on the outside of the shower is a little bit bigger, so it's going to take a little bit more effort, and I'm not there yet. So where I'm at is where I'm at right here, and the floor, the laminate flooring, there was 2 layers of that, and got that all up and cleaned up on the outside, and I have to still get behind my my washer and dryer still to get that all cleaned up, all that glue off the floor. And no, the black stuff is not mold, it is just glue. But there has been previous water damage in this basement, it seems like, for a very long time. So we just have to get it fixed and cleaned up. And I really appreciate you guys coming along this journey with me and getting my house updated or remodeled and doing it on a budget. And I hope it inspires you and motivates you to do the same. Bye.